Okay, students, we continue concept of integration. We are in now 7th class. This is class number 7. And understood that all this is concerned to second year PUC. So in the present type 2, we are evaluating integrations exclusively using suitable trigonometrical formulas. So whichever trigonometric formulas to be implemented, we need to apply them and we need to get the result of indefinite integral. In all these examples, as already I discussed, first you have to apply suitable trigonometric formula, then you need to apply integration formula. We continue problems under that scheme. I hope you are maintaining the number of problems. I am not counting that maybe 15, 16, that's not important. Important is that how much concept you understand, how much knowledge you gain to solve a problem rather than counting the number of problems. Next problem, integrate. Integrate cos 2x to the power of 4 with respect to x. So we begin from notation I. Let I equal to integration of cos 2x to the power of 4. We don't have direct formula for this expression because of power 4, and also you can't imagine like 2 into 4 as 8, that is impossible, meaningless. So we apply correct trigonometrical formulas and realize that we are unable to get answer of integration because of this power. So now we shall try to remove that power. We try to ignore that power by correct mathematical steps. For that, we apply these trigonometrical formulas. Before that, cos 2x power 4 can be written as cos 2x square and whole square. Next, we have a formula for cos square theta in terms of non-power. Cos square theta formula in terms of not containing of power is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. We know that cos square theta equals to 1 plus cos of 2 theta whole divided by 2. This formula is only feasible now. Means helpful now. So now I becomes integration. For cos square 2x, we can write 1 plus cos of 2 into theta, means 2 into 2x becomes 4x by 2, and all that complete square. Now 1 by 2 whole square will be 1 by 4. It is outside the integration. And after that left is 1 plus cos 4x whole square. Still we unable to break the integration because of this square. We apply a plus b whole square formula. That is equal to 1 by 4 integration on using a plus b whole square formula. A square is 1 square 1, b square is cos square 4x. 2ab is 2 cos 4x. Integration of 1 can be written as x. Integration of cos 4x can be written as sin 4x by 4. But we cannot write the integration of cos square. We again use this formula. Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 integration 1 plus cos square 4x. Using cos square theta formula, we can write as 1 plus cos of 2 into 4x divided by 2 plus 2 cos 4x remains same. By 4 integration. We can take overall LCM as 2. This is after all 1 by 2 into LCM 2 means 1 by 2 multiplying to remaining 2 into 1 become 2 plus 1 plus cos of 2 into 4x is 8x. Because of LCM 2, the 2 will multiply here, so that it becomes 2 into 2, 4. 4 cos 4x. Now, easily we can break the integration. In the meantime, 2 into 4 is 8. 1 by 4. Integration 2 plus 1, 3 plus cos 8x plus 4 cos 4x. Now we can break the integration because we are able to apply integration formulas. Cos 2 into 4 is 8. 1 by 8 bracket. We split the integration. First one 3 into integration of dx means 1 dx plus integration of cos 8x plus 4 into integration of cos 4x. Now lastly, we apply relevant formula of integration. So finally, 1 by 8 into bracket 3 into integration of 1 dx is x plus integration of cos 8x is sin 8x divided by 8. Whereas integration of cos 4x is sin 4x divided by 4 and then is already into 4. 4 will cancel out. So only it is sin 4x plus constant. So you realize that application of trigonometric formulas quite correctly at right step. That will ensure us to get the answer of integration. Next one, very much identical. You try it yourself. You will be helpful for your problem solving mechanism. Try it yourself. Evaluate. Integration sin 2x to the power of 4. Try it and give the hint. Use sin square theta formula as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Remaining steps are like in the last problem. You try it yourself. So that it is good practice for you. Next question. Next problem, under use of trigonometrical formulas, evaluate. So we are in class 7, you keep that in mind. Evaluate. Integration of sin cube x into cos cube x. Sin cube x into cos cube x integration. Let I equals. This problem can be solved by next coming type 3 method also. You know now this method also, you can understand it. Sin cube x, cos cube x can be written as sin x into cos x complete whole cube. Using last indices, a cube, b cube is ab whole cube. Let's make the sin 2x formula. Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x into cos x, so we shall multiply divided by 2 within bracket. That is equal to integration 1 by 2 into 2 sin x cos x whole cube. Now 2 sin x cos x will leading to the result for sin 2x. Integration 1 by 2 into sin 2x whole cube. Now 1 by 2 whole cube become 1 by 8. That is outside. 1 by 8 into integration, how much left? Sin cube 2x left. Now we have a direct formula for sin cube a from trigonometry. We know that sin cube a or sin cube theta. This formula, what I am writing, it can be brought from the formula of sin 3a. Sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. From that 4 sin cube a equal to, formula is sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Hence 4 sin cube a equal to 3 sin a minus sin 3a, or only sin cube becomes 3 sin a minus sin 3a divided by 4. Hence it is 1 by 4 into bracket 3 sin a minus sin 3a. And similarly another formula we have, you keep it in mind. Similarly cos cube a formula is 1 by 4 into bracket 3 cos a plus cos 3. Hence, it is equal to 1 by 8. Integration. It is just like sin cube a. In the place of a, we have 2a. So here what we get is that 1 by 4 into bracket 3 sin 2x minus sin of 3 into 2x will become 6x. You wrote this step correctly. Now we can decompose integration. Means we can break integration into how many terms? 2 terms. Because there is sum of 2 terms. Now, very first 8 into 4 becomes 32. 1 divided by 32 into bracket, making 2 integrations. First one, 3 into integration of sine 2x. Second one, integration of sine 8x. So that is equal to 1 divided by 32. Now integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. So minus into plus minus 3 by 2 cos 2x. Next integration of sine 8x is minus cos 8x by 8 minus minus plus 1 by 8 into cos 8x plus constant. Next problem. Under the type where we need to apply first trigonometrical formulas, then integration formulas. You remember these two formulas without fail. Next problem. Evaluate integration sine 3x into cos 2x dx. Find or evaluate integration sine 3x cos 2x dx. First step I. Write solution. Let I equal to given integration problem sine 3x into cos 2x. Actually, in the differentiation we have differentiation of product of two functions. What it is called as product rule of differentiation. Like that, even we can get integration of product of two functions. No wrong in that. But that will be in the future days, not right now. That will be described as integration by parts. But right now we don't have integration of product of two functions, and we can't break integration also. Keep that in mind, because these two are connected by product, but not some are different. If there were plus, we can break integration. If there is minus, we can break integration. But right now we cannot break because there is a product of two trigonometrical functions. So we importantly apply transformation formula. That to be that transformation formula which converts product of two trigonometrical functions into sum or difference one. It is just like sin A cos B. Sin A cos B formula is 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So let's use that. Alright, using sin A into cos B equals to 1 by 2 sin plus sin means 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Here A means 3x, B means 2x. Hence now I becomes integration 1 by bracket sin 3x plus 2x plus sine of 3x minus 2x. Let's keep 1 by 2 outside the integration. Into integration, sine of 3x plus 2x is 5x. Sine 5x plus sine x. Now easily we can decompose into two integrations because of sum of two functions we brought. So let's break the integration. On breaking the integration we get 1 by 2 into bracket first term integration of sine 5x plus second term integration of sine x. One by 2. So therefore list of formulas. From list of formulas what you can find is that integration of sine pi x is minus cos pi x by pi or minus 1 by pi into cos pi x. Similarly, integration of sin x is minus cos x, minus 2 plus 1 become minus cos x plus constant. Further problems. Next problem. Please maintain the number of problems. I am not counting it. I am just putting the star. Find it or evaluate. Find integration of sine 4x into sine 8x dx. Sine 4x, sine 8x dx. Take I. Let I equal to integration of sine 4x into sine 8x dx. Like in the last problem, we cannot break the integration because of product of two trigonometrical functions. We apply trigonometric formula, namely sin A, sin B. We know that from previous last year, sin A, sin B formulas are in two ways. One with plus, another one with minus. Both are same. Choice is yours. I am writing plus form 1 by 2. If it were plus formula, it become cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. If it is taken as minus formula, it becomes 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Any one can be applied. Choice is anybody's opinion. So it is 1 by cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Or it can be used with minus common, minus of cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, no wrong in that. So let's use this formula in this occasion. We have to use, there is no other method at all. I equal to we get now integration. It is just like sin A, sin B. So this formula is to be implemented 1 by cos of A minus B. What is A minus B? 4x minus 8x minus cos of A plus B. What is A plus B? 4x plus 8x. So that is equals to 1 by 2 into integration cos of 4x minus 8x is minus 4x minus cos of 4x plus 8x is 12x. We use another trigonometry formula. This is namely, it is just like cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta formula is plus cos theta. Or using that cos of minus theta formula in that first term of integration, that is equals to 1 by 2 integration cos 4x minus cos 12x. Now easily we can break into two integrations, 1 by 2. First one, integration of cos 4x minus second one, integration of cos 12x. Now applying the formula of integration. Final 1 by 2. How much integration of cos 4x sin 4x divided by 4 or into 1 by 4. Similarly, integration of cos 12x is sin 12x divided by 12 plus a constant. So here using the sin A sin B formula is very crucial. One has to remember them. You know, there are total 8 formulas. 4 of them will transfer product into sum. Another 4 of them will transfer sum or difference into product. Sin A cos B, 1 by 2 sin plus sin, cos A sin B, 1 by 2 sin minus sin, cos A cos B, 1 by 2 cos plus cos, and sin A sin B, 1 by 2 cos minus cos. Sin C plus sin D, 2 sin cos, sin C minus sin D, 2 cos sin, cos C plus cos D, 2 cos cos, cos C minus cos D, minus 2 sin sin. That's what those 8 formulas will stand. Next problem. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration of cos 6x into cos 4x into cos 2x dx. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration of cos 6x into cos 4x into cos 2x. Better write these two terms or any two terms in a bracket preferably. So we can apply cos A cos B formula. We have or we know that cos A cos B. Cos A cos B formula is 1 by 2 cos plus cos. Means 1 by 2 cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So now I equal to integration. These two terms applied by the formula cos A cos B 1 by 2. Cos of a plus b will become 6x plus 4x is 10x. Plus a minus b means 6x minus 4x is 2x. Into there is already cos 2x. One by 2 can be kept outside, and also at the same time multiply bracket from cos 2x. That is equal to 1 by 2 integration cos 10x into cos 2x plus cos 2x into cos 2x. If you want, you can write cos square 2x, or you can keep it as it is in product form. No, cos 2x into cos 2x. Still we are unable to apply integration formula because still we have product of functions. We again use this formula cos A cos B. We are using same formula second time. That is equal to 1 by integration bracket on 1 by 2 into bracket cos A plus B. What is cos A plus B? 10x plus 2x will be 12x. Plus cos A minus B, 10x minus 2x is 8x. That is cos 8x. Similarly here, same formula. 1 by 2 into cos A plus B, 2x plus 2x, 4x. Plus cos A minus B, 2x minus 2x is 0x. That is 0. Draw cos 0. Here 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, does it become 1 common, and 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will become 1 by 4 into integration cos 12x plus cos 8x plus cos 4x this is cos 0. Cos 0 means 1 plus 1. Now we can write into how many integrations? 4 integrations, because there is a sum of 4 terms. 1 by 2. First one, integration of cos 12. Second one, integration of cos 8. Third one, integration of cos 4 plus integration of 1b. One by 4 into. Now direct formulas. All are same type of formulas. Integration of cos 12x, sin 12x by 12. Here sin 8x by 8. Here sin 4x by 4. Whereas integration of 1 dx is x. So first one sin 12x by 12. Next one sin 8x by 8 plus sin 4x by 4 plus integration of 1 dx is x plus constant c. So you realize the use of formula for cos A cos B quite correct. Next problem. On the use of trigonometrical formulas type. Evaluate integration sin x sin 2x sin 3x. Here again we need to apply transformation formula, namely sin A sin B. First step, begin from I. Select I equal to integration of sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. You can combine any two terms you wish, either first two, next two, first and third, does not matter for the answer. So let's combine first and second terms and use the formula sin A sin B. We know that sin A sin B formula. Sin A sin B formula is 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. 1 by 2 cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. On using that formula for the first two terms, I equals to integration 1 by 2 bracket cos A minus B means x minus 2x minus cos A plus B and become x plus 2x into sin 3x. One by 2 outside. Further integration of cos x minus 2x is minus x. X plus 2x is 3x into sin 3x. One step I will skip, it's not a great step. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. At the same time, you open the bracket from sin 3x. Let us use cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, and also we open the bracket from sin 3x at a glance. Means at the same time. Hence, I equal to 1 by 2 bracket integration. First term will become sin 3x into cos x. Next term will become sin 3x into cos 3x. Now these two are in the form of sin A cos B. Here sin A cos B formula can be used or else because of same angle. You can make it as 2 sin A cos A also. Choice is yours. But here strictly sin A cos B formula. Sin A cos B formula is 1 by 2 sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So now I equals to 1 by 2 bracket integration 1 by 2 bracket sin a plus b here 3x plus x 4x. Then 3x minus x is 2x. Minus 1 by 2 into bracket. Again similar formula. A is 3x, b is 3x. Sin 3x plus 3x 6x. Then 3x minus 3x will become 0. That is sin 0. Next, here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 common, and there is already 1 by 2, it will become 1 by 4. I equals to 1 by 4 integration of sin 4x plus sin 2x minus sin 6x, but sin 0 is 0, that is ignored. Hence we have only minus sin 6x dx. Now we can decompose into 3 integrations. 1 by 4 bracket. First one, integration of sin 4x plus integration of sin 2x minus integration of sin 6x. For all we have a same type of formula. Finally, 1 by 4. How much integration of sin 4x minus cos 4x by 4? Similarly, integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. And integration of sin 6x is minus cos 6x by 6 minus 2 minus plus cos 6x by 6 plus constant. Next 2-3 examples, same that you try yourself. That will be benefit for your practice. You try these 3 yourself, 3 or 4. Find integration sin 7 theta into cos 3 theta d theta. Here angle is theta, does not make any difference. Next, find integration cos 5x into cos 7x dx. Use cos a plus b formula. Another one, try it yourself. Here use sin a plus b formula. Here cos a plus b formula. Find or evaluate integration of sin 6 theta into sin 4 theta into sin 2 theta d theta. So you try these 3 yourself, just like last problems. Right, next problem. Hope these 3 people tried honestly. so that it will be good practice of applying formulas of trigonometry as well as formulas of integration. Next problem. Find, or it may be mentioned as evaluate. Evaluate. Evaluate integration square root of 1 plus sine x by 4. First step I. Let I equal to integration square root of 1 plus sine x by 4. What we shall do is that we shall bring inside square root perfect square. For that we use half angle formulas. We have, or we know that sin theta. Sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now I becomes integration square root of 1 plus. It is just like sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Means 2 sin theta by 2 x by 4 by 2 into cos x by 4 by 2. That is equal to integration square root of 1 plus 2 sin x by 4 by 2 become x by 8 into cos x by 8. We have in term 2ab. It is just like 2ab, but we don't have a square plus b square. We can make it easily because one is sin square angle plus cos square angle. The angle is to be taken as x by 8. So I want to use a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. At present we have 2ab, but we don't have a square plus b square. However, one means sin square angle plus cos square angle. Here present angle is x by 8. So let's write 1 as importantly sin square x by 8 plus cos square x by 8. You know this step very properly. Then 2ab, 2 sin x by 8 cos x by 8. So now inside root what we have, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that will be a plus b whole square. Means that is equal to square root of sin x by 8 plus cos x by 8 whole square. Now in the process square root and square will cancel. We have now finally integration of sin x by 8 plus cos x by 8. Now we can break into how many terms? Two terms. First term, integration of sin x by 8 plus second term, integration of cos x divided by 8. Finally, formulas of integration. What is integration of sine function minus cos function minus cos x by 8 and more importantly divided by coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? 1 by 8. That's important here. Observe, x coefficient is not 8 but it is 1 divided by 8. Similarly, integration of cos function is sine function, that is sin x by 8 divided by 1 by 8 plus constant. And lastly, you can write 1 by 8 as 8. Here 8, here also 8. You can take 8 common if you wish. After 8 being common, minus cos of x divided by 8 plus sin of x divided by 8 plus c. Like this, any other examples may appear in test or examination. Should not scold anybody if it way the question like evaluate integration of 1 plus sin x by 6. No order in that. But method will not change. Number may be changing. Method remains same. You people need to solve it instead of blaming to anyone. Not solve this number, not solve that number, but solve foolish thing. So try to understand mechanism of solving the problem rather than remembering that problem. After some more example, next concept, very crucial, integration by method of substitution. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.
और ಏನು ಪ್ಲೇಲಿಸ್ಟ್